Hello everyone and welcome to Mindscope Media. Today I'd like to talk about how to meditate for beginners. In this up-to-the-minute era, only a few people manage to give time to themselves. According to the WHO, more than 264 million people are depressed globally. Meditation is an impactful activity that keeps your mind peaceful and can act as a strong deterrent to depression. So in simple words, meditation is an activity in which an individual focuses on a particular thing in a quiet place. You have to make sure that you are not distracted by surrounding noises and activities. This helps in keeping the mind healthy, fresh, and active, and it lessens the stress. We know you are a beginner and we have some amazing meditation tips for you. So make sure to stay with us to the end of this video so you don't miss any of the key techniques. So let's start off. Number 1, never try to meditate. You must be thinking that how will you meditate without actually trying to meditate? But hold on, trying meditation is the first mistake to avoid. Meditating is a calming process. Don't force yourself to stop thinking and try too hard to meditate. First things first, it is not possible to get rid of all your negative thoughts in one attempt. So instead of making every effort, be calm and focused for a short time. Remember, no one can be 100% successful in the first attempt. You have to practice and take some time daily. Make sure to follow all the tricks and tips that we give you by the end of this video. Number 2, manage the time. You have to manage the time if you want to experience an outstanding meditation session. Managing time refers to setting a time limit. You can't just start meditating without knowing for how long you'll meditate for. As a beginner, 10 to 20 minutes a day is enough to get you started. You can set that limit according to your preferences. Secondly, set a time to meditate and stick to it no matter what, even if it's working out or not. According to research, the best time of the day for meditation is before sunrise. However, do remember that any time in a day for meditation is a good time. It's important to make sure you do it in the first place to receive the maximum benefits. Number 3, find a peaceful spot. If you are meditating for hours, but the place is noisy and distracting, it serves no purpose. At first, you have to find a calm and relaxing place. A place where there are no distracting voices. But let me clarify that the sound of nature, waterfalls, or chirping of birds is not included in the noise pollution. These sounds are soothing and pleasant to the ears and can improve the meditating experience. Sites close to nature are the best option if you can manage them. But don't worry if you don't have any specific place. From your bedroom to the area around the swimming pool, you can meditate at any soothing place. Number 4, clean the brain before starting. Cleaning the brain refers to destroying negative thoughts. You must be wondering, how can anyone clean his or her brain? Start mind cleaning with blocking the thoughts related to daily life. For a moment, just forget about the office, home, or other matters of life. Imagine that every negative thought is getting out one by one in the form of red light. If it doesn't work out, keep repeating words like stop or block, and imagine that all the negative thoughts can't enter your mind. Then start getting rid of negativity by repeating words like out or exit. The goal is to practice teaching yourself to block negative thoughts. With practice, it becomes easier to do. Number 5, give full attention to your thoughts. Once your mind is bare from the negativity, start focusing on the thoughts you are thinking. Try to control your thoughts instead of being controlled by your thoughts. This takes lots of practice, and it is rare for people to succeed on their first attempt. Once you can slightly control your thought process, start changing it towards a specific peaceful thing. You can imagine that sound of a hummingbird's wings or sitting at the top of a hill overlooking the ocean. Picture yourself in an open field with just the sun and a light breeze encircling your body. Number 6, reduce the body movement. A human can stay 100% still for a specific time. Try not to move unnecessarily during meditation to avoid distraction. Make sure that your body is refreshed and that the area is free of clutter. Also, check that there are no insects or bees at the spot so you can experience the best of meditation. In addition, you can light an aromatic candle to make the area smell pleasant. It helps in focusing and also helps keep insects away from causing the distractions. Number 7, breathe comfortably. It means that you are not trying to take over your breath. It's a common mistake among beginners. Just breathe naturally and start meditating from taking a deep breath. Some of you will prefer breathing from your mouth instead of your nose, and that is also acceptable. People suffering permanent respiratory diseases like asthma can use gadgets like oxygen breathing masks. This will help in maintaining the peace for a greater experience. But make sure that the device is noiseless and comfortable. Moreover, there's no restrictions on inhaling from the mouth and exhaling from the nose, and vice versa. Just breathe the way that makes you feel comfortable. Number 8, wear comfortable clothes. The word comfortable is the key to an impactful meditation experience. Tight clothes for meditation can be your worst choice. Soft and stretchy garments like yoga wear are always preferred while meditating. Also, make sure that you are feeling relaxed in whatever you are wearing. On the other hand, some experts prefer to change the clothes to loose if you are wearing tight ones. Also, there's nothing wrong with meditating in the same clothes you are wearing the whole day. Just make sure that whatever you're wearing, your body is feeling comfortable in. Number 9. Try not to wear makeup or accessories. Wearing makeup and other accessories like heavy jewelry reduces the effect of meditation. Makeup and other accessories are unnatural. You might not feel this, but your body is carrying a lot of unpleasant weight. Wearing heavy makeup at the time of meditation cancels the natural effect of peace and harmony. While meditating, try and stay as natural as you can. Also remove things like watches, sunglasses, rings, or any other kind of jewelry from your body. Let your body breathe during meditation. Number 10. Make the sitting space more relaxing. I know that you're thinking that you're already sitting in a peaceful place, but can you make it even more comfortable? The answer is yes. You can sit on a big comfy cushion in the middle of your living room if the floor is hard. You can also put an eye mask on, or a piece of cucumber on your eyes if you feel that would be beneficial. If you are a music person, playing soothing music on low volume can also help in focusing. Number 11. Meditate without any expectations. Don't expect that you'll get rid of all your unwanted thoughts in the first few attempts of meditating. Remember, it takes a lot of time, focus, practice, and attentiveness. Every person has a different state of mind and mental issues. Some can concentrate in minutes, and some take hours to focus. The important thing to remember is to be in the moment. The rest will come naturally. Number 12. Make it a daily habit. You are here because you've decided to do meditation. Once you start meditating, try your best to stay consistent. Make yourself a timetable for the whole week and stick to it. Do not skip or leave it for tomorrow. Being consistent is the last key thing that is necessary, so start to practice regularly. Only then will you be able to make it a daily habit. Once you add this practice to your daily life, I guarantee you will be well on your way to finding peace of mind. Number 13. Meet a meditating expert or use an app. Along with all the above mentioned tips, you can also consult a good meditation professional. And there are different smartphone apps for meditation available online. They will help guide you as a teacher and can steer you towards a healthier, happier you. Well, that's it, folks. Above, I've shared some of the best and easiest tips on how to meditate for beginners. If you like what you've learned, do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to hit the like button and to subscribe. Check out our next videos, and we'll see you real soon.